just starting your YouTube journey and you have been wondering how to get from 0 to 100 subscribers very fast, well, you are in the right place. Hey besties, welcome back to Learn with Cynthia, where I teach you how to grow on YouTube, how to create stunning AI images, and also how to master what? Simple edit using apps like CapCut. Well, for today's discussion, I'll be talking about how to grow from 0 to 100 subscribers. Well, I currently have 47 subscribers, and no, it didn't just happen overnight or by magic. And a few of those subscribers are actually my friends, so shout out to you all. But I also posted like YouTube shorts that hit over 1,000 views, right? And that also helped me too. So what I did when I posted my videos was that I kept it simple. I posted what I actually knew, like how to grow on YouTube, how to post properly, and the likes of them. So for you to get those subscribers and those views, you don't need to be an expert. All you need to do is what? Share what you're learning in the process and also what you are already good at. And short is one of the ways that you can reach a wider range of audience, right? So you need to post more shorts on your YouTube channel. You need to get more people to subscribe to you. And that is where I think I got most of my subscribers that are part of the 47, right? So you need to work on your shorts. You need to post them a lot more than your videos if possible. Even if it is just 10 subscribers from a short that you get, that's like better than what you had yesterday. And now I want to be real with you all. Like I said earlier on, some of my first subscribers were actually my friends, and that is okay. So you don't need to be afraid or feel ashamed or shy to ask people that you know to do what to support you by subscribing to your channel. Please just be honest, because that's one of the ways that you get your subscribers at least to that 100, from 0 to 100. Do you understand? It works for me, and I'm at 47 currently. So another thing you can also try to get your subscribers up is what? Post at least once a week. Do not skip. And you don't need to feel pressured like to post daily. See, YouTube is going to notice when you're being consistent. So it's not about like putting too many videos in a week and then disappear for like another 2 weeks. No, it will hurt your channel. So it's about showing up regularly. And that is one of the reasons why most people never start, because they're waiting to be perfect to get everything. No, you learn as you make more videos as you go. And the times whereby I go back to check my analytics to see what is working and what is not working, what kind of videos I need to make to get my subscribers up. So if you're really serious about growing your YouTube subscribers from 0 to 100 very fast, all you need to do, like I said, is what? Post more of shorts. You don't have to post daily, just be consistent, at least once a week. And do not be ashamed to do what? So tell people you know to do what? Subscribe and help you get to that first 100 first. Do you understand? And these are the things that has been working for me, and I know it will also work for you. So please, please, and please, if you know that you like this video and this video did what helped you in one way or the other, please hit the like button, subscribe so that you don't miss the next one I'll be posting. And also, thank you for watching this video. Let me Cynthia. Remember that I am always rooting for you. So see you on our next video. Bye.